Look at this, y'all. 469, 422, 422, 469, 422, 469. Like, you can literally make this type of money every single day.
I have officially cracked the code on how to make a consistent $400 to $500 per day. Y'all probably wondering right now, what business model is this? What am I doing? This is called affiliate marketing. Back in April of 2024, I realized I was done trading my time for money. Like, that shit was just over with. In my mind, I gave up. You feel me? I was doing Lyft for 12 hours per day, barely coming home with $100, bro. Now, fast forward a year later, I done already made over 100,000. I done made over 100,000 online. This is strictly from my phone. I literally learned a high income skill, and I ended up turning that into thousands of dollars, bro. This is something that anybody can do. Literally, all you need is a phone and Wi-Fi to do this. Affiliate marketing. Let me break down what affiliate marketing is. For y'all who don't understand, affiliate marketing is basically selling products and earning a commission for products that you're selling for somebody else. Popular ways to do affiliate marketing in 2025 is TikTok Shop and Amazon Associates program, which is basically you selling products for Amazon. But the only problem with these ways of doing affiliate marketing is that the commission rates be so low, bro. You're getting like 5%, 10% commission for each product that you sell. But what I do is called high ticket affiliate marketing. It's a difference between selling products, physical products for TikTok Shop, physical products for Amazon. It's a big difference between doing that and making money from that and then selling a high ticket program and making a big commission from that. See, with the high ticket online programs, some of these programs are offering 85% commission. So let's just say you have a program that's $1,000. If somebody say they giving you 85% commission every time you get somebody to buy this program, that means if you sell that program one time, you making $850 off of one sale. You feel me? So you see the difference, right? It's two completely different ball games. You could take any random product that you have in your house, a tripod, this plant behind me. If you start making videos and posting content and you got your Amazon affiliate link in your bio and you're driving traffic to your bio, and let's just say people start actually coming to your website and buying these products because they're seeing the way you advertise these products, you'll start making on average 5 to 10% commission for each sale that you make through that link in your bio. But me, I'm doing high ticket affiliate marketing. So I basically purchased a program that taught me everything I needed to know about digital marketing, digital products, sales, marketing, branding yourself on social media, content creation. Literally 13 different ways to monetize myself on social media. I learned everything I needed to know about making money online from this program. That was the whole purpose of me buying this program. But what I didn't know was if I resell this program, I can make 85% of the profit every time I make a sale. That's how I'm able to make $500 a day. And that's just with the program. That's not even including my other 7 streams of income that I have online. The name of this program is called the Digital Wealth Academy. This training taught me 7 different ways to monetize myself on social media. Now I have 7 different streams of income from social media alone. So now my whole life is sponsored, bro. Like, everything I do is content. Everything I do, I'm generating income. This is the new way to become financially free in 2025. Not only financially free, but time freedom. Like, you gotta think about it, bro. We work these jobs. We work these jobs until we 60, 70 years old, bro. We're trained to go to school for 12 years, then get out of school, go to college for another 4 to 6 years. Sometimes people even go for 8 years, bro. And then by that time, you damn near 25, 30. And now you're supposed to work the rest of your life away making somebody else rich? You're supposed to work the rest of your life away asking when you can go on vacation, only being able to go on vacation one time a year. Asking when you can go to the restroom and shit like that. Asking when you can go on lunch. You know what I'm saying? 3rd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade, all right, bro, that shit cool, bro. But now, as a 30-year-old man, you asking somebody when can you go on vacation? You asking somebody, can you take a lunch break? Or they giving you a specific time where you can go eat? It's like at some point it gotta register, bro. And it registered for me last year. Last year around this time, it registered for me. And since then, my life been completely different. My life been changed, bro. I take trips when I want. I got a new house, new crib. All of this is fully paid for from the internet. And anybody can do this. I'm not special. I'm not special at all. All I did was invest in myself to get the information. Without information, I was broke. I didn't know nothing. But when I got the information I needed, now I got 7 different streams of income online. I'm getting paid on YouTube. I'm getting paid from brand deals. I'm getting paid from UGC creation, Amazon, you know what I'm saying? TikTok. I'm getting paid through digital products, so many different ways. But this is by far the most lucrative stream of income that I have. So if you're looking for a way to escape living the life that you're living right now, waking up, living the same day over and over again. If you're looking for a way out of that shit, I'm telling you, start doing high ticket affiliate marketing. Drop shipping is dead. The Amazon FBA shit is dead now. Clothing brands, you need to have money to start that shit. Trading, you need to definitely have money to burn to do that. Affiliate marketing is the most low entry cost business model to start in 2025, bro. I literally have made well over 6 figures. I'm on my way to multiple 6 figures because I learned about the Digital Wealth Academy, bro. The Digital Wealth Academy taught me everything I needed to know about digital marketing, affiliate marketing, everything about monetizing and growing on social media. I took advantage. I applied the information that I learned and I turned my whole life up. It's simple. Y'all can go back to the first video on my channel, on this channel, where I said what I was about to do. I was dead broke. On that first video on my channel, I was dead broke. And now look, you can see the progression. You can just see everything that changed, everything that transpired from that first video. You know what I'm saying? And it's because I really locked in. It's time for y'all to really lock in. Imagine waking up seeing you made $400 for nothing. Imagine waking up every single day seeing you done made $800, $400, next day $1,000, next day $1,500. I done had days where I made $3,500 in one day. This is what people make in a month, and that's if you have a very good job. You know what I'm saying? So don't sleep on the power of the internet, man. I come on here and I put y'all onto the bag damn near every day. If not every day, every other day. But high ticket affiliate marketing is by far the most lucrative business model that's getting people rich right now. Teenagers is doing this shit, making $100,000 a month. So what's your excuse? You feel me? Don't say I ain't put you on, man. You can join the Digital Wealth Academy today and start. You can literally start on a payment plan. You can start for as low as 43 down. It's 43 down. And then turn around and make your first sale this week. And now you up $400-500. Make 2 sales. Now you up $800. And at that point, you can just pay the course off and now everything else is profit, bro. It's really that simple. Not only do you have a high-ticket digital product that you can sell, but you also got all of the skills and knowledge you need to monetize yourself in various different ways on social media. The Digital Wealth Academy is literally the first link in the description. You can check out with Klarna or Afterpay. I'm telling y'all, Klarna or Afterpay. So you can just get the information and get inside the community. This community has over 115,000 members, bro. This is the #1 digital marketing / affiliate marketing course on the internet, statistically speaking. No other training has more members than this course on the school platform. And that's for a very good reason, bro. This is the most beginner-friendly course you could take to learn everything you need to know. I did this shit, and it took me from -500 in my account to 6 figures. So if that don't You feel me? If that don't tell you nothing, then I don't know what it is. This is a whole letter right here from stanstore. You feel me? It's time for you to stop playing with your potential and really lock in on your dream life and get the life you really want. But it start with you. You got to make a move. You got to take the first leap of faith. You got to take the first step. Because if ain't nobody coming to save you, if you don't do it, nobody's going to do it for you. You feel me? So, other than that, man, I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. You could get DWA right now. Link in the description. Lock in.